Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change screen out timer on Nothing Phone 3. Let's begin. First, you want to head into Settings. Then, scroll down a little and head into Display Options. As you can see now, we can see under Lock Time, Screen Timeout, currently being set to 2 minutes of inactivity. This means that after those 2 minutes of inactivity, our screen will automatically turn off. We can click it in order to change it to something else. For example, I will change it to 5 minutes, but only because I am recording videos on that phone. Generally speaking, the higher the value here, the higher battery usage, so you want to keep that simplistically low. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.